Hello guys, I'm Nigmas Padi from beginner to pro.in. In this video tutorial, you will learn about adding list of items to a list view, and I'm also gonna teach you how to refresh the list view on adding new items, because I've not seen any tutorial like this. On refresh, the items will be added. Okay, so in this tutorial you'll also learn how to add items and refresh the list view after adding the new items also. Okay, so let begin with creating new project, beginner to pro. You can also uh, create a timer which will refresh automatically if you are parsing the data from the database. Okay, otherwise it's not required, because you can use the list view in the concept of chat also. You can use the list view for chatting system also. But it is not convenient that to use list view for chatting purposes, because when list view will get refreshed, it will blink for a second. Okay, it will wait, it will get blank and wait for the data to be populated in the list view. After that only it will show. So for trial purposes you can use that. Okay, so let's proceed. Yeah. So here I'm gonna create three files: one contact page and one adapter and one layout file. Okay, the layout file, the purpose of creating the layout file is that you can add fonts to that, color to those, uh, um, you can customize the list view a bit. Okay, that's why I'm doing so. So let's refresh the layout. Yep, so it's now over. List view, it will be match span, that is 400 dB. Okay, I'm showing you some of the properties also. First assign sorry, ID and divider color. Let's say I'm keeping this white, and divider height will be of 20 dp. Okay, so now between this two item list there is a divider divider of white color. Okay, which is separating this two list by 20 dp. And yep, a button also which will populate the list view with further few items. 150 dp, 50 dp, so it will be below list view, and center horizontal margin top will be 10 dp, and text is add id also add. Now I have finished with my XML file. I'll just get the objects of those, that is sorry, list view, list view, okay, and one button, that is add. I'm also going to create an array list where I'm going to store my data, which is of string type. I'm going to add some of my friends' names. Array list. First of all, I will add this. Listview file. And this add button. Okay. List view. Add button, sorry, it's not list view, it is button. Okay, now yeah. Now I'm going to create two Java file. One is contact page, which will receive the name of my friends as in the form of arguments, and we will pass those names to the adapter. Okay, adapter will be a new class. So it is list view contacts, okay, and one adapter also, that is list view adapter, and one resource file, okay, which where I'm going to put the text over there, and will pass those layout file to the list view, because here I'm going to use the layout inflator. The work of layout inflator is that it will pass the layout in the form of list to the list view. Okay, so it is row layout. Here I'm going to create a text view first. Text view, wrap content, center, horizontal, true, and separate it by 30 dp, and the text is names, not sorry to look something like ugly. Margin left, okay, 10 dp, and color will be first bold, and color is black. So, save, and text size 20 dp. Okay, sorry, I have not assigned any id, that's names. So now move on to contact page. Here I'm going to create a variable which will store the names of my friends, which I'm going to pass. Press Alt Insert and create a constructor of type name, and get a setter method which will pass the names to the adapter. Okay, because adapter need those names, right? And it will put it in the layout file which I have created earlier. So by using this get names, we can get the names which are being passed to the names from the main activity. Okay, so here I'm going to extend it with array adapter. Okay, again alt insert constructor, first one. Here list is to new array list. Okay, So now I'm going to implement some methods, okay, like add method, add, okay. So here list not add, because it is an array list, here the items will be added. So object, uh, those contacts, here I have created the string names, it will be passed to here and the names will be added to the array list present here. Okay, now get count, which is list dot size. Okay, list dot size. Okay, then I'm going to implement another method, that is get item, and here list dot get position. Okay, list dot get position. Now I'm going to implement another method, that is get view, and another notify data set changed. Okay, why this is used? Because whenever there will be change in the array list, the when I will implement or call this function in the main activity, it will automatically refresh the list view. Okay, and another one is I'm going to create another method, that is clear, because I'm going to first clear the list, then I will add whole item to it, otherwise the item will get repeated. Okay, to avoid repetition I am doing this. So what, list dot clear, here later on you will get to know why I have used that. And one static class, say contact holder. Okay, so here text view, because in the layout file I have created earlier it was test, so sorry, row layout, assign it as names. Okay, so here also names, sorry, it's not like this, now it's okay. So now I'm going to declare the object of the text view and put the values into the text view, and I will pass this layout file to the list view. Okay, in the form of layout files it will be stored. For that I have told you earlier that we are going to use layout implementer. Okay, so let's begin with this view, because all these are view type. Okay, view row equals to convert view, and here I am going to first declare the contact holder. Okay, so here first I am going to check if row is equals to null. Okay, is nothing else. So first I am going to go for this. Here I am using layout inflator. Okay, the work of this, it will pass the layout in the form of list to the list. Okay, inflator, sorry, layout inflator equals to layout inflator. This get context dot get system service, that is context text dot layout inflator service. Okay, so now again row equals to layout inflator dot inflate dot layout dot the file name means that XML file which I have created earlier. Okay, row layout parent false. Okay, so now I have defined the XML file. Now I'm going to contact holder dot names which I have created here, names names equals to text view, and I'm going to assign the ID which I have created there, dot ID dot names. Okay, why is this showing the error? Oh, sorry. I have not declared here contact holder equals to new contact holder. Now it's error free. Okay, so I have declared I have assigned the ID name, and here row dot set tag, that is contact holder. Okay, on else part contact holder equals to contact holder row dot get tag. Yep, it's error free. So now after doing this, I will put the so now I will get those names from the contacts. Okay, that is list view contacts equals to list view contacts, then this dot get item position. Okay, so I am fetching the position from the contact. Okay, now contact holder dot names dot set text. So what I am going to put in the set text, the content which I am receiving from the list view contacts, right? So contacts dot get names, it automatically showed me for this, that is the suggestion. Okay, so I am now putting the contacts dot get name. Okay, where I am getting those names from the list view contacts and putting it in the names. So right, I forgot to return this to the main activity, because this is going to be returned to the main activity. So I have finished coding my adapter, so contact also over. Now now I'm going to code for the main activity. So for that I'm first declaring list view adapter. Okay, so here list view adapter equals to main activity dot this dot r dot layout, sorry, activity dot this, this dot layout dot the XML file which I have created, dot layout. Okay, So I have passed the XML file to the adapter which I have created earlier. So now I am going to uh, just add the there is a mistake here. I forgot to add new list view adapter. Okay, that is com.example. That is the my uh, package name. Okay, so now it is error free. Make sure that you are always error free and follow with my steps. Okay, otherwise you may get confused. Now I am going to add some of the names, like say my name, and okay, size here. Okay, there. So I have finished adding my names of my friends. So now I am going to put a counter here. Right. So while it will run till the size of the array list, okay, till the end of the array list. So for that, count less than names dot size. Okay, it will run till the size of the array list. So string friends equals to names dot get position, it is count. Okay, the position. And I am passing these values to the list view contacts, which is going to store my values which I am getting from the array list. Okay, list view contacts and friends. Okay, so this friends is now passed to the list view contact, and I am going to add these contacts to the adapter. Okay, because here there is also a list, array list. In here the names is going to be added. That's why list view adapter dot add these contacts. Okay, so now after this I am going to add the adapter to the list view. Okay, set adapter list view adapter. Now those layout files are added to the list view in the form of list. Okay, those layout files are now added, not the values. Okay, so after this, when on clicking the add button, set on click listener new on click listener, on clicking this add button, it is now going to add few more names to the list view and will also refresh the list view. Okay, for that first I am going to clear those. Okay, otherwise the values which are present here will again going to be added to list view adapter plus the new items. So these three will again get repeated. For that first I will clear this. After that it will get automatically added and my new names will also get added. Add this. Okay, names dot so I have added two new names. Okay, then again I am going to use a counter. Let's say count 1 equals to 0, Okay, now it will run till the end of the file size, because end of the file size means this all will be also there. Okay, so count one less than names dot size. Okay, just put those here, copy and paste here it's friend and it is count one. Okay, and contacts, it is also friend and list view adapter contacts. Okay, now yeah, make sure to add counter here. Okay, increment it by 1, otherwise it will never get incremented and your app will get crashed. Count plus final, no, it is not final, right, it's not final one. Count 1 plus plus, because if you make that final, then the 0 assigned to the count is the final. You cannot change anything to that because it is the final value. So remove the final. Counter, make sure to add counter, because I have suffered your device may get rebooted also because of getting those infinite loop. Your loop will go in an infinite condition. So after this, again I will add Listview dot set adapter and Listview adapter. Okay, again I am going to the adding to again I am adding those adapter here to the Listview, because there are some new items are also present. So how it will get to know? So I'm adding Listview adapter to the Listview, and it will notify me for the changes. That is Listview adapter dot notify dataset changed. Okay, now by putting this line, it will refresh the list view. If you leave this line, then it will only set the adapter, it will not refresh the list view. Okay, so okay, I have finished coding. Now I will connect my device here. Okay, so here goes. Now I will show you. Okay, just wait for a minute. I'm going to start this PC link. Make sure to add the counter. Okay, if you have forgot the counter, then it will be very terrible. Your device may get rebooted also for that. It will put into an infinite loop and your device may get rebooted. So yeah, now it is ready. So I am going to compile this. The use of refreshing the list view is that whenever you are parsing the data or you are sending the data to the database, how the user will get to know that his or her data has been saved or passed to the database, until and unless he or she closes the application and again reopens that. Okay, to avoid those, I am using this refreshing the list view, so that she might not get in trouble. Yep, now it will install the APK to my device. So yeah, look what I got. Oh, yes, look, here I got my name and again a white divider. It's looking bit ugly. If you'll design it, then it will be looking better. Now there's only three names available. For this, Alice and Pranay are available, uh, not available, which are going to get added when I press this button. Look, look, now it is added. Okay, so this button again, it will get repeated. Okay, because it is again adding these two. Okay, so this back button, and again let me open this. Oh, sorry. Ah, yeah, here I got it. Look, and I'm pressing add, so the list view got refreshed. So guys, please do comment in the do comment at beginner2pro.in. If you have any query, you can also comment there. And I hope you have enjoyed my video and understood my video properly. You will get the source code also at beginner2pro.in. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.